I welcome all the students to our GK and Current Affairs channel, Kamal Computers. Let us start our today's lesson regarding current affairs and GK. The first question: which of the following lines regarding Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi is correct? I repeat the question: which of the following lines is correct regarding the Prime Minister Narendra Modi? A. Prime Minister will visit five nations starting from May 15, 2026. B. The PM will visit United Arab Emirates, Netherlands, Sweden, Norway, and Italy. C. The aim of the visit is the trade, investment, defense, green technology, and strategic partnership. D. At first, he will visit United Arab Emirates, where he will meet the UAE's President Sheikh bin Mohammed Zayed Al Nahyan. E. In Norway, the PM will attend the Third India Nordic Summit. F. Denmark, Finland, Iceland, and Sweden leaders will also attend the summit. G. All the above lines are correct. The answer is all the above lines are correct. The next question. The US President Donald Trump will visit China from May 13 to 15, 2026. This will be the first official visit of an American president after blank years. I repeat the question. The US President Mr. Donald Trump will visit China from May 13 to 15, 2026. This will be the first ever official visit of an American president after blank years. Options: A. 12 years, B. 11 years, C. 10 years, D. 9 years. The answer is D. Mr. Donald Trump is visiting after 9 years. Next question. India imports about 85% of its crude oil and blank percent of natural gas requirements. I repeat the question. India imports about 85% of its crude oil and blank percent of natural gas requirements. Options are A. 30%, B. 35%, C. 40%, D. 50%. The answer is D. India imports 50% of its natural gas requirements. Next question. Which of the following states had made cheetah test must for all the government jobs and admissions? I repeat the question. Which of the following states had made cheetah test must for all government jobs and admissions? Options are A. Gujarat, B. Rajasthan, C. Punjab, D. Himachal Pradesh. The answer is D. It was this government of Himachal Pradesh which had made cheetah test must for all government jobs and admissions. Next question. The oath-taking ceremony of Tamil Nadu Assembly took place on May 11, 2026. It is the Legislative Assembly of Tamil Nadu. I repeat the question. The oath-taking ceremony of Tamil Nadu Assembly took place on May 11, 2026. To stop, it is the blank, the 10th Legislative Assembly of the Tamil Nadu. Option 20th, B 19th, C 18th, D 17th. The correct answer is 17th. It is the 17th Assembly of Tamil Nadu that took oath ceremony on 11 May 2026. Next question. Highest Krishna temple at 12,778 feet is in the state of. I repeat the question. The highest Krishna temple at 12,778 feet is in the state of. Options are A. Jammu and Kashmir, B. Ladakh, C. Uttarakhand, D. Himachal Pradesh. The correct answer is D. Himachal Pradesh. The highest temple at 2,778 feet is in the state of Himachal Pradesh. Next question. The whitefly infestation and pink bollworm attacks affect which of the following crops? I repeat the question. The whitefly infestations and pink bollworm attacks affect which of the following crops? A. Sugarcane, B. Paddy, C. Wheat, D. Cotton. The correct answer is D. Cotton. Next question. The book, The Bench, the Bar and the Bazaar has been authored by which of the following authors? A. Ravi Mehta, B. Raj Mehta, C. Ramesh Mehta, D. Tushar Mehta. The correct answer is D. The book has been authored by Tushar Mehta. Next question. Which of the following lines regarding Lieutenant General N.S. Raja Subramaniam, the newly designated CDS, is correct? I repeat the question. Which of the following lines regarding Lieutenant General N.S. Raja Subramaniam, the newly designated CDS, is correct? A. Lieutenant General N.S. Raja Subramaniam is presently serving as the military advisor at the National Security Council Secretariat. B. He had retired as Vice Chief of the Army Staff in July 2025. C. He was commissioned in the 8th Battalion of the Garhwal Rifles in December 1985 and later commanded its 6th Battalion, the 6th Gadrif, in Assam. D. All the above lines are correct. The answer is D. All the above lines are correct. Next question. Which of the following lines regarding the Indian Army is correct? I repeat the question. Which of the following lines regarding the Indian Army is correct? A. Since August 15, 1947, 34 4-star generals, CDS and the 3 service chiefs have been appointed by the central government so far. B. It includes 2 British officers. C. The 24-star officers have been from the Army. D. 6 4-star officers were from the Armored Corps. E. 5 4-star officers were from the artillery. F. 1 4-star officer was from the engineers. G. All the above lines are correct. The answer is G. All the above lines are correct. Next question. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is scheduled to visit Norway during his 15th May to 20th May 2026 tour. It will be the first visit by an Indian Prime Minister to Norway since. I repeat the question. PM Narendra Modi is scheduled to visit Norway during his May 15 to May 20th, 2026 tour. It will be the first ever visit by an Indian Prime Minister to Norway since A. 1986, B. 1985, C. 1984, D. 1983. The correct answer is 1983. In 1983. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आज भी इतना ही है. धन्यवाद आपका अटेंडेंस के लिए और कल फिर करेंगे.